This video demonstrates how to save a data frame as a PDF using the Python library Pandas and matplotlib. Here you could see I am importing the necessary libraries. I do this a little bit differently than what is conventional practice. I like to import only what I need to perform the actions in a given notebook or Python file. So instead of importing pandas as PD, I am explicitly importing the DataFrame function from pandas. I am also importing the rand function from random. This will provide us with random numbers within a range. From matplotlib pyplots, I'm bringing in subplots. This might seem a little odd, as we are not working with charts or graphs in this example, but I'll explain why it's being imported in a little bit. Finally, there is a PDF pages function deep within the matplotlib library, specifically within the backend PDF module. This function will allow us to write the data frame to a PDF. To start, I need a data frame. Now, odds are you are already working with the data frame when you're trying to write one to a PDF, but I am not, as you can see here. So I will create a fake dataset by passing a random array of numbers to a data frame function. This creates a data frame of 25 rows and 5 columns, with each cell containing a random number between 0 and 1. Here you can see the resulting data frame. Next, I start a PDF creation with the PDF pages using the variable PDF. I then use subplots to specify the figure on which the data frame will exist. This subplot is actually specifying how large on the PDF page the data frame will appear. I played around in advance with several different sizes and determined that this was a good size for my 5 by 25 sized data frame. I then set the axis off because I don't want the axis of the figure area to display on the PDF. If this was not done, we would see the X and Y axis of the figure, which displays 0 to 1 on both axes. Given we aren't working with a graph, this information is irrelevant, and it would just be confusing. I then make a table with the table function on AX. I specify the cell text should be the values of the data frame, the columns should be the labels, and the location of the table is in the center of the chart area. I finally save the document with the savefig function on my PDF pages object. You will notice a file has been created in our directory. It is pdf_test.pdf, which is the name we used in the creation of our object. Let's now open that PDF and see what we've created. And here we have it. Our data frame is nicely displaying in the center of our saved PDF document. So on the whole, it is quite simple. You open a new variable, which I called mine PDF. You set the subplots. You turn off the axes to remove the X and Y axis being displayed because they are just unnecessary. You then create your table, specifying that the cell text is the values of the data frame and the labels are the columns. You then save your PDF. Thank you as always for stopping by and watching. Please let me know in the comments if this was a helpful video. Let me know what other features of Pandas and Python you would like to see reviewed in future videos. And don't forget to hit subscribe so that you can know when the next video drops.